Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Chris and you're watching Duramax 177. This here is my 98 Jeep Cherokee. Also have a 92 Jeep Cherokee, but there's a few things I need to do to this one before we start on the 92. This one's almost done, basically is. It's got a few things to touch up on it, and so I'm going to talk about that a little bit today. If you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Alright, so the audio probably don't sound too good. The wind's blowing like crazy here. So this Jeep has a 4.5 inch rough country lift kit, and I've got 33 inch mud tires. For off-roading, I think this is about the perfect height. Alright, so it's probably hard to see from the mud, but I've already painted the bottom half black, and I may do it in some kind of bed liner or some type of Line-X, something like that. I think that'd hold up a lot better. And something about doing the same for the hood is go around these lines here and do that black. I think that'd look good. And maybe even do this piece here black. The other thing we got to finish on the lift kit is we got to put the rear shocks on. I never did put them on because when I took the other ones off, they broke. And if you've ever took the rear shocks off Cherokee, you know they're gonna break. So something else I need to do is around this wheel well, I need to trim that liner a little bit with it rubs. And I'm gonna take these old fender flare mounting brackets off, and I'm thinking about installing a set of probably like the Bushwhacker pocket flares. I think that'd look really good on this Jeep. So I need to fix my windshield trim, but that's no big deal. Another thing I need to do is I need to put some kind of winch on it, and I know the factory bumper, that ain't gonna hold up, really thin, so I need to find some kind of bumper so we can mount a winch to it. I think that'd be pretty important, because I like to sometime go to some of these off-road parks around here. I know like the closest one around I think is Rush Off-Road Park. It's a pretty big park, so I think that'd be fun. We may take the Razor sometime. Then after that, we should be done with the build, and we'll start with the 92. I wish I would have filmed when I put this lift kit on, but I didn't do YouTube at the time. That should pretty much do it. That should complete the build. As you can see, the inside's pretty clean. Really good shape. Which it is a little dusty in here, it needs to be vacuumed, but it's just my off-road Jeep, so I ain't really too worried about that. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.